everyone and welcome back to Erudemy Learning. Last video we learned about the functions and features of the controls and events blocks through a combined session. Today we are going to have another combined session of the sensing, operator and variable blocks. We are combining the sessions because they work the best together. As there is a lot to cover, we are dividing the sessions in two parts. But first, let's understand all the three blocks. The sensing blocks are used to detect different factors of a project. They are color-coded cyan and consist of 3 stack blocks, 5 boolean blocks, and 10 reporter blocks. The operator blocks are used to script math equations and string handling. They are color-coded light green and consist of 7 boolean blocks and 11 reporter blocks. The variable blocks are divided into two parts, variables and list blocks. The variable blocks are used to hold values and strings as variables. They are color-coded orange and consist of 4 stack blocks and 1 reporter block. The list blocks are used to manipulate lists. They are color-coded dark red and consist of 7 stack blocks, 5 reporter blocks and 1 boolean block. Now that we know what are the 3 groups of blocks, let's make our first program. Jane rounds numbers off. First, delete the cat sprite and add the characters 1 sprite. Then add the room 1 backdrop. Go to character 1, whom I have named Jane's script area, and let's write the script. First, go to the Events tab and take when green flag click block. Then go to the Sensing tab and take Ask and Wait block. Change the question to enter a decimal number. Now go to the Variables tab and make a new variable. Name it number. You can name it anything you like. This variable will hold the value of the answer or the question asked. Take set variable to block and change the variable to number. In the blank space of the set block, add a answer reporter block. This reporter block will make the variable hold the answer's position. Then go to the looks tab and take say block. Go to operators tab and take round block. Then go to the variables tab and take number. This will make Jane say the answer of the rounded number because the number variable, as told before, holds the answer and we are saying the rounded decimal number of the answer. So now we have completed writing our program. Let's run it. You saw how Jane rounded off the number I typed in the decimal number I typed in the drop box. This is a really simple operators and sensing program. You can make more of this using simple logic. Now we are going to make another program. Jane identifies odd or even. To make our program, first take a new scratch window. Then delete the cat sprite and add the same sprites as our previous program, which is characters 1 sprite and room 1 backdrop. Then go to Jane's script area and let's write the script. First go to the Events tab and take when green flag click block. Then go to the Sensing tab and take Ask and Wait block. Change the question to enter a number. Then go to the Variables tab and make two new variables named A and B. A will hold an answer of the question asked above and B will hold the divided answer. We all know that to determine if a number is odd or even, we have to divide it by 2. And if we get in the division, if we get a remainder, then the number will be odd, or unless if it's 0 as the remainder, the number will be even. Then take two set blocks. Change the second one to B. Now go to the Sensing tab and take one answer reporter block. Put the reporter block in the set A2 block. This will determine that A will hold the value of the answer of the question asked above, which is enter a number. Now go to the Operators tab and take mod block. Mod typically means division. So when we divide the answer of the question, which is enter the number, to 2, we will get either a remainder or 0 as the remainder, which will determine if our number is odd or even. To do that, go to Variables and take A. Put the A in the first blank space of the mod block. Then in the second blank space of the mod block, type 2. This means you are going to divide A by 2. Now go to the Controls tab and take If Else block. Put a is equal to block in the Boolean space. This is called a Boolean block. Now we are going to take a B reporter block and we are going to put it in the first blank space of the Boolean block. Now enter 0. This will determine if B is equal to 0, which means if the division is a perfect division, then we will say and if we have a remainder, then the number will be odd. So we are going to type Now we have completed our program. I hope you thoroughly understand it. Now let's run it. I am going to enter the number 5. Everyone knows that 5 is an odd number. When 5 is divided by 2, we get the remainder as 1. So the number is odd, which means our program works. I hope you like the programs we made today. Tomorrow, in our next video, we are going to make some more programs of variables, operators and sensing. I hope you have fun. But for now, bye!